Ready for take? Camera ready? Ready, sir. Camera! Running!
Screen test 1, take 1.
Action!
Same make.
These were taken at the West Highland Police Station, 1984. You were there.
Same model.
These were taken today.
You have to let me see my son. He's in great danger.
New mission.
Itu kompresen dia lah tinggi. Nak kasih tak bunyi pun boleh.
Once, he was programmed to destroy the future.
Kelepok, kecepar, pon, belangga, motoka.
You don't know what it's like to try to kill one of these things.
Patah belakang saja pun kau nak pancung dia ke?
Now his mission
Get down.
Ya, dari petang tadi pergi minta hutang.
is to protect it.
Come with me if you want to live.
Mak kau memang begitu, selalu naik basikal, tak pernah naik motoka.
You're really real.
His loyalty is to a child,
Who sent you?
Hang kebun.
35 years from now.
and his enemy
He's a Terminator like you, right?
Not like me.
is the deadliest machine ever built.
Nak bunyi macam ping gitu sikit.
Can it be destroyed?
Unknown.
This time, there are two. Terminator 2.
You just can't go around killing people.
Keluar! Keluar kau dari sini!
Why?
If you thought you had seen it all,
Nak kasih tak bunyi pun boleh.
look again.
Stay down!
Go! Now!
Perempuan yang tak kenal diuntung! Keluar kau dari sini!
We gotta stick together!
Aku cekik kau!
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Selalu naik basikal, tak pernah naik motoka.
Terminator 2, Judgment Day.
Pamat tempe! Belangga dengan motoka!
This time, he's back. For good.
Trust me.
Ya, dari petang tadi pergi minta hutang.
Cut! Kenapa kau tak cakap Bahlul?